Hey guys, welcome back to Learn in a Nutshell. Welcome back to another video. So, the last video we saw about how to use auto approve, how to use how to use the plan properly by saving it in a file. In today's video, let's see how to do targeted deployments. So for that specifically, we have created this module folder and we'll make use of this while deploying the changes. So for this, to see it working, what we'll do is let's make changes in both the file. Let's make changes in this project setting. This is in project setting module, and let's also make a change in product types. Let's create one more category called category 3 maybe. So here let's change this 2 to 3. And now if we do Terraform plan, you will see two changes, one to add and one to change. So basically demo 2 to demo 3, and one will be for new addition, that is category 3. Now we don't want to do the project setting related changes, and we just want to add category changes. For that, what we can do is we can do Terraform plan and give a space, pass target, and we'll have to pass the path. Target is equal to and the path of what you want to deploy. So I'm targeting module dot. So you'll have to give the names. So module dot data modeling is the one which I'm targeting. So data underscore modeling. And if you want, you can specifically give categories as well, or if you want to do all the changes whatever is there in this folder, you can limit it to this much. Module dot data modeling, and all the changes whatever is there in this folder would be applied. So for let's see how the plan comes out. So if you see, it says resource targeting is in effect, and right now you don't see that project setting related changes, only one to add. Now suppose if I do some changes in this, let's say the name to 2, and if I run this, you will see one to add and one to change. But I don't want this product type changes to be applied. I just want category specific changes. For that, what you can do is give the specific resource name. So that is, I'm trying to deploy only this category 3. So we'll have to copy the name of this resource, paste it over here, then give the resource name as well. So this specific resource will be deployed, and all the others will be ignored, whatever changes you have done. So if I enter, it will again say resource targeting is in effect, and it says one to add. So now let's apply this. You can apply something like this, Terraform apply, it'll ask for confirmation, or again when applying you'll have to pass the target again, or else it's going to do all the changes. As you can see over here, when I did Terraform apply, it says 1 to add, 2 to change. We don't want this. We want only target category specific changes. So we'll just come back to this code and do Terraform apply. Now if you see, it will give only 1 to add, so all the other changes are ignored. If you don't want this confirmation to come up, then you just need to pass auto approve, something like this, auto approve, and it will be, the changes would be made. Now if I come here, and refresh this page, a new category would be seen. So that is one way of doing this. And if you don't want to pass the target again in apply, there's a alternative solution for that. So let's say we don't want this Terraform. Sorry, we don't want this category 3. We want category 4. Or let's do one thing. Let's keep category 3 and let's add one more called category 4. So now if I do plan, let me hide this. If I do Terraform plan target category 4, it would see if there is something called as category 4 and it would say what are the changes plan 1 to add. Along with this, you have to just pass an out file, something like this, double hyphen out is equal to plan dot out. So when you do this, all the changes, whatever planning has been done here would be saved in this plan dot out, and there would be a file as well that would be coming up here. And next time you can just do is Terraform apply and give that file name plan dot out. If I run this, that whatever planning has been done and saved, that would be applied. One added. So if I come here, nothing has been changed. No other changes has been deployed over here because we have not included all those changes in the target. So it's only the new category which we have added have come up here. So if I refresh, Terraform 4 has come. So that's about it. You can try different ways of deploying this using this target method and see how well this works for you. So if you have any queries related to this, please post it in the comment section. If you like the video, please do hit the like button. And yeah, that's all in this video, guys. Hope you all liked it. Please do share, like, comment, and do subscribe. Let's catch you in next video. Until then, see you. Bye.